Hey guys, sorry I couldn't be there today. I just wanted to make sure that you guys were made aware of kind of what's going to happen now. I'm going to switch up our schedule this week. Instead of doing our Algebra Friday tomorrow, I'm going to do it today because it's a little bit more simple for you guys. It's nothing new. It's nothing that complicated. And I wanted to make sure that you guys could do this. First and foremost, the first things that you guys are going to see on today's Algebra Friday stuff is multi-step equations. So something like 3x plus 4 equals... we'll say 4x plus 3. Alright, so when we go through and we start to solve this, what we can start to see is you're going to first distribute on this side of that equation, alright, and do that same thing here. So what we have is 3x plus 12 equals 4x plus 12. Alright, so when we look at that, just take 3x away from both sides, right? And then take 12 away from both sides. And notice that I'm doing the same thing on each side of the equation here. Left with 0 equals x. And that would be your equation and how you solve it. Now up here on the proportions, you guys know proportions so well. I don't know why I have to go over this, but I do want to go over it. So let's say it's 3x minus 2 over 2 equals... we'll say 2x minus 4 over 4. Actually, let's not do that. I don't like that problem. Let's do a different one. So as I erase that, what I want you guys to do is we'll say 3x minus 2 over 2 equals 4x minus 4 over 4. Alright, so as you do that, you'll cross multiply across here. Alright, so we get 4 times 3x minus 2 equals 4x minus 4. And I'm running out of room here. So I'll just distribute and set them equal. 12x minus 8 equals 8x minus 8. Add the 8's to both sides. I get 12x equals 8x, which isn't true. We subtract 8x from both sides. Left with 4x equals 0 and x equals 0. That's kind of how you would go through and solve these. You cross multiply. You guys know how to do those. Last but not least, the desired units. This is kind of one that's going to pop up today. So like if I had, for instance, let's say that I wanted to go from feet to yards, right? I need to know my conversion unit. So, let's say I have 7 feet, and I need to know how many yards that is. I'm going to go 7 feet, my desired units, times my conversion table of 1, where I have 1 yard equals 3 feet equals my desired units here. Now, when I cross multiply, I'm going to do 7 divided by 3 yards here. I don't have a calculator with me, but that's exactly how you guys would go through and solve these today. Alright, so you're going to be looking at these 3 things mostly on your work today. I want to see you guys get as much done as you possibly can. Alright, I am in the building, so if there's ever any issues, I can be up in a snap to make sure that things are going okay. I do want to see you guys working on this today, and give it your best shot. Make sure you guys complete your warm-up and exit ticket and leave them at the door, and we'll go from there. So have a wonderful day. If I don't see you throughout the day, have a nice evening, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow, and I'll be back then. Alright? And if you got questions, let me know. And yes, we'll be good to go there. Cool? Alright, have a wonderful day. We'll see ya.